Good evening, everyone. It is Andrea, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. How are you doing? Well, I want to say at the very best, I had an amazing weekend. I was able to be with the people I loved, people that I shared interests with, and most importantly, I was able to, as you know, dance. I had an amazing weekend. I danced most of the weekend. It was just awesome. And I was able to, enjoy outdoors for a while. I was with my family and it was just so awesome. Like I said, music is my passion. Movement is my passion. And when you get the right playlist, it's just, you get lost in the moment. I want you to find a hobby, an interest, or something that you find creative that you enjoy doing, and bring it back out into your lifestyle. Bring it back out into your schedule. What do I mean by that? So as I'm working during the week and I spend the weekends with my family, the two most important things I enjoy doing when given the opportunity is listening to music of my choice and dancing, because it just releases the energy, it releases the toxins, it releases the frequency, and it allows me just to kind of get lost in the moment and experience the rhythms, because I'm not thinking, I'm not stressing, I'm not worrying, I'm just purely having fun. And the rhythm takes over, the melody, the beats, and all the different styles just add an extra ambiance. As I had mentioned before, music allows me to go back in time to certain experiences, certain emotions, and then it reminds me of who I was with at what times and so forth. And I had a variety of playlists this whole week, whether it was in the truck, in commute, from alternative to pop, to actually going on the dance floor. There's some footage out there from some people, because there was a lot of people recording, listening to old school music, club music with the heavy bass, Latin, pop, reggae, and salsa. It was just a mixture of all old school, 70s and 80s. It was just an excellent time. This was really in my wheelhouse. I had so much fun, and I can be free and just let the rhythm take over. So I want you to find something that you enjoy doing that just takes you away. It takes your mind off of things and you just go into your element. For some, it may be arts and crafts. For others, it may be tactical and statistical and strategies. And others, it just may be, like in my instance, music. Because when you go into your element, you relax, you debrief, you allow yourself to be calm and enjoy the moment and truly be in the moment. Like I said, this past weekend, especially last night, Saturday, I was in a zone on the dance floor for hours. And I would take a few moments to step away and go back to my crew, where I was just soaked in, because it was so hot out, but I was dancing that hard. I love dancing, and it was just every single song I enjoyed. And now I'm ready to tackle the week with a clear slate, a positive frequency, and focus. And that's what it does. When you find something that you're passionate about and that you love, you reset, reboot, and recharge. And this is truly what I needed this weekend, because there's been a lot going on with the business. There was a lot going on with the new school year and adjustments and just everyday life situations, that this week was absolutely what I needed, and I loved it. So if you see footage out there of me dancing, yes, it is me, but I had so much fun. And that's what life is about. So find what you love, do what you love, find the fun in an activity, and then get yourself plugged in and allow yourself to recharge, to tackle and seize the day. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. My name is Andrea Mason. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join AndreaMasons.com because I've got some announcements, upcoming events, and amazing projects down the pike. And again, I am almost at 700 daily videos, a variety of content, and I cannot wait. I cannot wait to walk beside you and remind you every single day in this crazy game of life, you have the right, the privilege, and the option to press play. Plan life according to you. I'll see you in the next video. Be well.